In this video, I'm going to explain you how to set up Godaddy Reseller account. So the first step is to open up your browser and search for Godaddy Reseller account and then click on the first link. Now after that, as you can see here, you can build your online storefront, you can set your own prices, they handle the payments and much more. Now, as you can see here, we have basic reseller, best for up to 25 customers. And then we have Pro Reseller, best for unlimited customers, which will cost you around $200 per year. So you just have to simply add this to your cart and then you'll be able to start using it. Now, as you can see here, we have the profit margins. So let's go here. And as you can see, you'll be able to set your own pricing and you'll see the profit margin once you set up the price for your hosting and domains. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.